Welcome to NeoMythos. Today we uncover the ancient story of the very first avatar of Vishnu, the mighty Matsya, who saved creation. At the end of the previous cosmic age, the universe began to collapse into darkness. A great flood, known as Pralaya, was rising to swallow the world. During this chaos, the demon Hayagriva stole the sacred Vedas from Brahma and hid deep within the endless cosmic ocean, leaving creation without the knowledge needed to begin again. At that time, King Manu was performing his evening prayers on the riverbank when a tiny fish appeared in his hands. The fish spoke and said, "O Manu, protect me now, and I will protect you later." Moved by compassion, Manu placed the fish into a small pot, but by the next morning, the fish had grown too large for it. He shifted it into a bigger vessel, then into a lake, and finally into the vast ocean. Yet the fish kept growing until it took on an enormous, radiant form. In that moment, the fish revealed itself as Lord Vishnu and warned, "A great flood will soon destroy the world. Build a massive boat and gather the seeds of life, the 7 sages, and every living being you can." Manu obeyed and constructed a great boat. When the flood began, Vishnu returned as Matsya, the divine fish with a shining golden horn. Manu tied the boat to Matsya using the serpent Vasuki as a rope, and the divine avatar guided them across the endless waters as mountains sank and the world disappeared beneath the ocean. In the deepest part of the cosmic sea, Matsya confronted Hayagriva, defeated the demon, and recovered the stolen Vedas. With the scriptures restored, the knowledge of creation was returned to Brahma. When the waters finally receded, Matsya led Manu's boat to safety, and a new age of life began. Manu became the father of mankind in the next cycle of creation. Thus, Lord Vishnu took the Matsya Avatar to save the Vedas, protect life, and ensure that creation could begin again. You decide what happens next. Comment which avatar story you want, and subscribe to be part of this ancient journey.